here's the line for welding box beam. This cutting is much better than saw cutting.
Where do you fit this one? How do you
This adjustment on this, my operators will give you training course. I have no idea how to operate. Oh, this I know. Let me give you idea. Hello, this is Victory. This is welded box beam on the operation. This is flying sharing die. You check the cutting. It's better than saw cutting. If you use saw cutting, it's noisy and a lot of dirty things. This is the welding, and we apply the fossil to welding Linton. This is the pre-punch, which is used for cutting.